Hello and welcome guys with another video on Python. This is basically data analyst track. So we are learning the basics of Python. So here I mentioned today the class name, which is data type and operators. So data type are multiple types in Python, like integer, float, complex numbers, strings, lists, tuples. So we will, you know, discuss in future other data types. But today we are discussing the numeric data types, which includes the integer number, float, and complex number. So I already write smaller programs for you. So here we assign x is equal to 20, which is an integer value. Here we assign 22.3, which is a floating value. And here we assign z to another value, which is 75.j, which shows a complex number. So let's put it over here. And here we can print all three values, but I want to show how you can check the data type of all three values. Check data type of variable. So you will know what we will store in x. So let's run three of them. So the first one is integer, the second one is float, and the third one is complex number. So let's move towards the operations, so which is arithmetic operation, as I told you earlier. So we can perform different kind of operations, arithmetic operations, comparison operators. We will talk about the comparison operators in subsequent classes, but here is the arithmetic operation. As you can see, you can perform with the numeric data types, like with the floats, with integers. So here is addition, subtraction, division, and multiplications. So what I did, I stored a floating point into variable 1, another floating point into variable 2, and then I took another variable, which is variable 3, and I add. Here I perform addition for both of the variables and store it into another variable, which is variable 3, and then I run this program. So it will simply add up two floating points. Let's run it where it will gives you the value of 151.43. So let's change it into the integer, and let's see what it will do if I change it into the integer. Right now it is giving me 150.43 as a floating point, but we have to change its type to floating point to integer. So let's see what it will return to us now. So it will return us to 150. So let's change the operation over here, and let's see, I multiply variable 1 with variable 2, and let's see what will be the output right now. So it's a 5,000. So as you can perform various kind of operations on numeric values. So here is another data type we'll talk about today, which is string data type. So what is a string? A string is always into inverted commas. It's a character of strings. It's basically a sequence of characters. Sequence of character, right? So it could be in single quote, or this is with double quote. So both treated same. This is a string, so we can run it. It gives no error. This is a string too. It gives no error. So what we did, we write a small program in which we store first name. We took it as a variable, a string variable. We define a value of first name as John in single quote, or we can do an experiment with this name. So let's see if we do it in double quote. So let's see what it will do. It will store the John in the first name variable and the M in the last name variable. So let's run it. And here we are doing what? We are doing concatenation of strings. Concatenation means you are joining. Not, you can say combine, or you can call it joining. Join string values. So it will join your first name and your last name in another variable, which name is full name. So here is a first name plus, so we will use plus sign for the concatenation. So we put first here, but these we put for the spacing, and then we put again the plus sign and the last name. So let's see what it will return to us. It will return nothing because we didn't want a print function right now. So let's run it over here again, and it will give us the John ME. So this is the space which comes because of these double quote and space. If I remove it from here, so what it will give? It will remove the space between. So it's combined. So which is not look, which looks a little dubious. So let's put it back over here and let's run it. And now you will see this space will be back. Okay, and then we will discuss about the three methods in which we can convert any of the strings into uppercase, into lowercase, or into title case. So what is uppercase? As you know, the full name will be changed into all the capital letters. As you can see over here, John Amy. You can print your string into lowercase all the time. Okay, sequence of letters into lowercase. And here is another method which basically we use for the full name, which is a title. So in which the first capital word will be capital and the rest will be smaller. So that is the perfect for your first name. You always write your first name with the first capital letter and the rest of smaller. So here I write a very small program which I want to see to you to stay with me, which is thank you. So let's print it out. This is another kind of strings. So thank you so much.